For this one, we're going to be making something called a finger joint. So a finger joint effectively looks like if you put or interlock your fingers together. Okay, and that's what it's going to look like in timber. So it'd be great for box making, potentially for drawers, and carcass elements that you'd like to do, entertainment units. It's more of a feature piece. It shows the end grain. It's a little bit simpler than the dovetail. So the way that we're going to do that is create sketch. And I'm going to show you how to do it with quite a basic measurement, which is 95. So I'm going to make my material 95 wide, and then I'm just going to make it 150 long. There you go, finish sketch. I'm going to extrude this by 19 mils. And each of my fingers is actually going to be 9.5 mils wide. Okay, because that's the size of my router bit that I potentially use, but it all depends on the size of router bit. You could use any type you want, but predominantly the most common is about 9.5 to about 11 mils. So 9.5 mils to 11 mils, so 9.5 centimeters to 1.1 centimeters, but we predominantly use millimeters. So we get 2-point rectangle, making sure that construction lines are on. Okay, and we're just going to do our initial sketch. Okay, so because we want it to sit flush with this edge here, we've got to bring it in 19 mils for our other interlock. So 19 there. Now I'm going to choose my line tool, and I'm going to create multiple lines at 9.5 mils. So 9.5, 9.5. So this can take some time. And so what I'm doing is just going down the face. So you can basically do this with any width. Okay, I chose this one in particular because it's going to allow for an even number of pins, and there's not going to be any smaller or any bigger ones, so they should all effectively be the same size. I should have about 10. Yeah, the last one's there. Now, I'm going to show my panel again, turn off those construction lines. And basically what I'm going to do is every second one, I'm just going to do a box. That is 19 by 9.5. Okay, do another one here. 19 by 9.5. One here, one here, 5, and the last one will be here. As you can see, if I go there, I've done the first one and then every second one after that. So if I go there, I can actually see my fingers. Now, what I'm going to do is hold shift down and click on where I did these boxes. And I'm going to go extrude, and it's going to be -19. And so those are the fingers of my top ones. Okay. Now, I'm going to do the exact same thing, but instead of taking do the boxes on top, I'm going to do the boxes on this one. So that's my second piece. So I'm going to save this first. I'm going to open up a new one. Create sketch. And I'll make it 200. It needs to be 95 again. 95. Enter. Finish sketch. Extrude 19, so same thickness. Only works if it's the same thickness. And we're going to do a rectangular box on top again on our edge. 95 by 19. Enter. And basically I'm going to do my line tools again. So 9.5, 9.5. So these are basically construction lines. So once you finish the sketch, they'll just disappear. 1.5. Just go, I think that one's in the center. Okay. It's always good to double check with these ones. We can go back and redo it, but it does take a little bit of time. It's better just get it right the first time. Okay, now I'm going to go 2-point rectangle, and I'm going to take out these second ones now. Instead of, because last time I did this one, so this time I'm going to do this one, so 9.5. It's every second one from there. I finished that sketch, as you can see, taking out every second one, so now I'm going to extrude. I'm just going to hold shift down to get all of these ones. I'll put the box in, it's going to be minus again, 1.9. Now, you go save, so finger joint, part 2, that one's saved there. Now I'm going to open up a new design, and this one's going to be completed finger joint. And I'm going to insert both of these components. So I'm going to insert this one here. And I just want to rotate it up to make it be a bit easier to see. 70. Don't forget to ground it. Part 2, finger joint. We'll rotate it up like so, and I'm just going to pull this over to the side, go enter. Now this one is a little bit harder to do, so an easy way to do it is potentially choose one of the edges, or choose one of the corners that is going to line up with another corner, so I'll hold shift and I'll click on this corner, and as we can see it still doesn't always work. So another good method would be to do is, if we want to choose an edge, so that edge should sit on that edge, so let's see if they join, and that one joins perfectly, and we go enter. So as you can see, there is a little bit of mucking around sometimes trying to figure out how it goes, but if we have a look at that, I'm just going to turn the display to edges visible only. We can see that actually fits perfectly in there, and then we're going to save that.